Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So children, as you all know that today this is our online English language class, and you all know that we have started with our revision work. This whole week we are doing our revision work, and the revision which we are doing is for the preparation of your pre-midterm exams. You all know that. So every day we are giving you revision exercises in the form of objective questions, in which there are questions with options and you have to tick the correct options. Okay, and you have given your two mock tests also, which were which were your practice test, so that by giving these two tests you have understood that how you will be attempting your main pre-midterm exams, which are going to start from 2nd of August. Okay, so as you all know children, that first 3 days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we have completed with our English literature revision work of all the two chapters, both the two chapters 1 and 2. And now from yesterday we have started with our language revision exercises. So yesterday we have completed with our vowels and consonants chapter, as well as with chapter number 1 of your book, that was about words. Okay, now today we are going to do articles topic, a and the. Okay, and then tomorrow we will be doing a combined revision in which language and literature will be mixed up. There will be 20 questions. I will be explaining you with options, but before that, today I am going to give you two videos. As every day I give you two videos, all the teachers give you two videos. Okay, so in these two videos, first part video will be of explanation of chapter number 10, that is articles, and then part 2 video will be of revision exercise, in which I will be giving you 8 or 10 questions with options and you have to answer it. Okay, so I will explain that exercise in part 2 video. So let's get started with our first part video, in which I will be giving you the explanation of the chapter 10, that is a and the, also known as articles. Okay, so are you all ready? Very good. Let's get started children. In this chapter we have studied that a and the are articles and how we use these three words. Okay, where do we use a, where do we use an, and where do we use the? Clear to you all? So you all know that we use a or an when we speak of only one person, animal, place और thing. किसी भी एक person, place, animal या thing के बारे में अगर हम बात करते हैं तो we always use a or an. Okay, single person के बारे में अगर हम बात कर रहे हैं, this is a boy, एक boy के बारे में. This is an ice cream, एक आइसक्रीम के बारे में. Okay, this is a lion, this is an elephant. So what we are talking about, only one lion, one elephant, one egg, one boy. Clear? So we will use a or an to speak of only one person, place, animal or thing. Clear to you all? Now a और an का हम यूज तो तब करते हैं जब किसी एक पर्सन, प्लेस, एनिमल, थिंग के बारे में बात करते हैं. अब ए का यूज हम कैसे करते हैं? ए का यूज हम तब करते हैं जब वर्ड्स हमारे कॉन्सोनेंट से स्टार्ट होते हैं. ओके, जो भी वर्ड्स हमारे कॉन्सोनेंट से स्टार्ट होते हैं, लाइक बी, सी, डी, एफ, जी, एच, जे, के, एल, एम, एन, पी, क्यू, आर, एस, टी, V, W, X, Y and Z. All these are your consonants. And what are your vowels? A, E, I, O, U. There are 5 vowels. There are 21 consonants. In all total there are 26 English alphabets. Clear? So when the words are starting with a consonant sound or a consonant, for those words we will use a or a. Okay, and when we are using when the words are starting with or beginning with a vowel, that is a, e, I, o, u. अगर a, e, I, o, u से word start हो रहे हैं, so that means they are starting with vowels, and the words which are starting with vowels, for those words we use an, like an apple, an ice cream, an orange, an umbrella, an egg. Okay, so always keep in mind, जो भी word वॉवल से स्टार्ट होगा AEIOU से, वहाँ हम एन का यूज़ करेंगे. जो भी वर्ड कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड से स्टार्ट होगा लाइक BCD FG एंड सो ऑन, उन वर्ड्स के लिए हम अ यूज़ करेंगे. इज दैट क्लियर? सो दीज आर योर एग्जाम्पल्स. एंड एप्पल. नाउ एप्पल इज अ वर्ड which is starting with A and A is your vowel. As you can see, I have written here AEIOU. So A is a vowel. So vowels के साथ हम an use करते हैं. Next is an egg. Again egg, word egg is starting with E and E is a vowel. So we will be using an egg. And ice cream. Now ice cream is a word starting with I, which is a vowel. Okay, so with the word ice cream we will use the article an. An orange. Now O is again a vowel, so we will be using an with it. An umbrella. Umbrella is again starting with a vowel, that is U, so we will be using an umbrella. Is that clear to you all? I hope the use of an is clear to you all. Now a balloon. Now balloon is a word which is starting with the sound of a consonant. B is a consonant, so we will use a balloon. A flower. Now flower, F starting with F. F is also consonant. A house. House is also a consonant starting with a consonant. A pencil. Pencil is a word starting with a consonant. A tree. Tree is a word starting with T, which is also a consonant. So with all these words we will be using a or a. Okay, a balloon, a flower, a house, a pencil, a tree. Clear to you all? Now after the use of a or an, come to the use of the. Now here we will be studying the use of the. अब द का यूज हम कब करते हैं? आई हैव ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन्ड यू व्हेन आई एक्सप्लेन दिस चैप्टर. यूज ऑफ द इज यूज्ड when we are talking about a particular thing or a definite thing, the thing which cannot be changed. Okay, when we are talking about a particular person or a particular thing which is definite and we cannot change about that thing, that means it is a particular thing or a definite thing, so we will use the. The man means a particular man. We use the with the names of rivers, oceans and seas, mountain ranges, historical moments like the Ganga, the Yamuna. किसी river का particular नाम, okay, किसी ocean या sea का particular नाम, Indian Ocean we will use the, Black Sea we will use the, माउंटेन रेंजेस का पर्टिकुलर नाम हिमालयाज द, एल्प्स द. ओके, हिस्टोरिकल मॉन्यूमेंट्स का पर्टिकुलर नाम ताजमहल द, कुतुब मीनार द. सो विद ऑल दीज पर्टिकुलर नेम्स, all the things which are particular, which are definite, like the moon, the earth, the sun, the stars, all these things are definite, you cannot change them. So here we will be using article the. Is that clear to you all? So I hope the explanation part is very clear to you all. This video is very fruitful for you all. You all have understood this topic through this video, I hope. Now children, after this, one more thing I have explained you. Now that thing was when the word, there are two words. What are those two words? Honest, 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 and HOURR. Okay, so honest and R are these are those two words which start with H, which is a consonant. Okay, ये दो words ऐसे हैं जो consonant से start होते हैं, but जब हम इनको pronounce करते हैं, जब हम इनको बोलते हैं, तो they give a sound of O, that is a vowel. Honest, R, so they are giving the sound of a vowel O. Okay, so with these two words we will always use the article an honest man, an R. Okay, so these two words are those words where the word is starting with H, which is a consonant, but when you speak they give a sound of a vowel. So when a sound of a vowel is there for a word, we will use an. Is that clear to you all? Now that is all in this revision video part, children, explanation part. I hope you all have understood this explanation of the chapter. Now switch on to my part 2 video, children, for your revision exercise. Okay, so I hope you will watch this video very carefully, and then after watching this video switch on to part 2 video for your revision exercise. Bye bye.